Ever thought about dipping your toes in the vast ocean of the herbal industry? Perhaps you've mulled over the idea of starting your own herbal white labeling business. Today, we're on a mission to demystify this process, providing a step-by-step guide to get you started. Imagine having your own range of herbal products, from teas to supplements, skincare to essential oils. But instead of spending countless hours and resources on product development, you simply select the products you want, and they are manufactured and packaged with your brand name. That's the beauty of a white labeling business. Step 1. Identify your niche. The herbal industry is vast, with different segments ranging from medicinal herbs to herbal cosmetics. Choose a niche that aligns with your passion and knowledge. This will make it easier for you to connect with your customers and market your products effectively. Step 2. Research your market. Understanding your target customer is crucial. What are their needs? What are their preferences? Once you've identified your target market, study your competitors. What are their strengths and weaknesses? What can you do differently to stand out? Step 3. Source a reliable supplier. This is a critical step in the white labeling process. Your supplier will be responsible for manufacturing the products. Therefore, they should be reputable, reliable, and comply with all necessary standards and regulations. Step 4. Create your brand. Your brand is more than just a name and logo. It represents your company's values, mission, and vision. Your branding should resonate with your target market and set you apart from your competitors. Step 5. Develop a marketing and sales strategy. This could involve setting up an online store, selling through established e-commerce platforms, or even selling in physical stores. Consider using social media marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization to reach your target market. Step 6. Handle logistics. This includes everything from shipping, handling, and storage to customer service. Make sure you have a system in place to handle these elements efficiently. Step 7. Review and revise. Like any business venture, you'll need to constantly review and revise your strategy based on the feedback and the performance of your products in the market. And there you have it. The journey to starting a herbal white labeling business isn't as daunting as it may seem. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, understanding your market, sourcing a reliable supplier, creating a compelling brand, developing a marketing strategy, handling logistics, and being ready to review and revise. In the world of herbal white labeling, the possibilities are endless. With the right approach, dedication, and a sprinkle of creativity, you could be the proud owner of a successful herbal brand, offering quality products that your customers love and trust. So why wait? The world of herbal white labeling beckons, and it's time to answer the call.